Good afternoon. This is Shadi at Flow Architech and Trak-Kit and Pachtos booth, ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. I want to show you our multi-panel walls, which have taken a new generation of them now, incorporated with SiliconCore, in this case SiliconCore LED tiles. These walls have here the ability to rotate, slide, and the entire system is hanging on a gantry, so the whole system can slide also this way. Obviously, the new developments, we have a male and female edge condition with magnets that can nest into one another. So this wall can come together and lock up and become a large video wall, but it can also be taken in different sections of the room. In addition to that, you can have it facing either this direction or that direction. Clearly, as you can see, there are speakers integrated into them. And some of the features is like you could have home theater on this side with a certain kind of speakers, but then you can have a 2-channel. We have also speakers in the back. You can have a different kind of a speaker for 2-channel audio on the back side, which is dedicated for that. For more soon information will be on this at www.trak-kit.com.